Hello everyone, this is the Tarot's Galaxy 1111. Today I am going to do the weekly reading for the Virgo. Okay, for the coming for this week, the 13 July to the 20 July 2020. Okay, so what is the message? Please universe, let us know what is the message for the Virgo for this week. These readings are general readings, so the messages may or may not be resonating with each and everyone. So take the message according to your situation. Okay, how it is resonating with you, take accordingly. So what is the message for you, Virgo, for this week? Universe, please let us know what is the message for the Virgo. Okay, Ace of Cups in reverse, Three of Swords in reverse, Three of Cups. Okay, why the Ace of Cups is reverse? Universe, please let us know why the Ace of Cups is reverse for the Virgo for this week. Okay, you might be dealing with some water sign or air sign. Okay, you're not feeling the fulfillment, or you're not feeling satisfied emotionally, you're not feeling well. Okay, someone has been hurted you, you're coming out of that trauma, you're healing your heart. The person might be the air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, so we will see why the Ace of Cups is reverse. Why the Ace of Cups is reverse? Please let us know, universe, why the Ace of Cups is reverse. Okay, Two of Wands in reverse, Empress in reverse, and the Page of Wands. Okay, someone wants to take action, someone wants to move forward but unable to move forward. They are maybe hesitating, they are maybe feeling stressed if it is working or not, or might be that person has been hurted mildly, or maybe you might be hurted in past with any air sign, and now you are scared to take that moment again. You are ready, but still you feel insecure, your self confidence is down. Okay, self confidence is less. Okay, you're scared. So we will check why the Three of Swords is reverse. Okay, why the Three of Swords is here? Please universe, clarify why the Three of Swords in reverse. Okay, you are healing your heart. Okay, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse, Knight of Swords in reverse, and the Tower in reverse. Okay, so some transformation has been occurred, some transformation already has been happened. Okay, and things are not in your favor. Okay, currently, or for some people the transformation has been occurred, or for some people it is going to happen, and that's why you intuitively know that, that's why you are scared little bit. Okay, so why the Three of Cups is here? Why the Three of Cups is here? Why the Three of Cups is here? Okay, the Chariot, the Nine of Swords in reverse, and the devil in reverse. Okay, very good. So in the outcome, your the celebration is there. Okay, because the chariot card is telling us, that the movement is there. Okay, but it is very slowly. Okay, slowly but steadily. Okay, you want it in very fast way, but that movement is going to be very slow than your expected speed. Okay, for some of you, I think are not well and they are coming out of the illness. Okay, their health is going to improve, but slowly but it will. Okay, nine of swords in reverse, it tells us that you was not able to sleep at night. Okay, but now but in outcome, at the end of the week, the problems, whatever the problems are there, they will get sorted. Okay, and you will have a peaceful sleep. Okay, because you or that person might be come out of the any obsession, any addiction, any self doubts. Okay, that's why the celebration is there. Okay, and the bottom of the deck is ace of cups, ace of pentacle in reverse. So for some of the viewers, this might be the problem regarding the career life. Okay, job, finance, but the universe is telling that it will going to work. Okay, your problem will get sorted, but it will take some time. Okay, so be patient. Okay, be patient. So I will take advice card for you. Please universe, let us know the advice card for the Virgo for this week. You are scared to take action. Might be the some people are scared to start new job, start new business, because they have some past experience that has been not worked. But now it will not be like that, it will going to work. Okay, but it will take some time. So one advice from the unicorn, and I will let you know the affirmation for the week. Okay, prompting: call a friend today. Okay, I told you that it might be some celebration, some party. Okay, it might be the birthday of any one of your friend. Okay, or it might be your colleague. You will call them and they will help you out, and they will try to sort your problem. Okay, so prompting. And the bottom of the deck is honesty. Honesty will ultimately be rewarded. Okay, be honest, do your job, do your karma. Okay, because the wheel of fortune tells us regarding the karma. Okay, which is in reverse, wheel of fortune in reverse. This is the because of the transformation for some people that has been occurred. Okay, the transformation, or some people that is going to come in your way. Okay, so this is the karma. It might be your past life karma, or it might be your current life karma. So you have to face that, but you will come out of this. Okay, you will come out of this slowly but steadily. You will come out of this. Okay, call your friend, take some guidance, and be honest with yourself. The prompting card has the number 6, that is 24. 2 plus 4 is 6, which is the victory number. Okay, and the honesty has the 13 number, which is the 4, which is the angelic number. So the angels will help you out, universe will be help you out, and they are telling you that your honesty will be rewarded. They are already telling you that your honesty will be rewarded. So be loyal with yourself, with others, be honest with yourself, others. Okay, so we will see the affirmation for you. Sorry for the noise. Okay, now prompting the affirmation. This card, the card prompting, has the affirmation that I reach out with an open heart today. Okay, you have to open your heart. Okay, I told you some people are coming out of the trauma. Okay, some heart trauma, some hurting energies, they are healing their heart. Some people, some viewers. Okay, so do your job as usual and try to open your heart. Okay, try to open your heart, then your friends also help you out for this, and you will celebrate with them. Okay, and you will come out of this. Okay, so your affirmation is I reach out with an open heart today. You have to open your heart with for to your friend, to your family member, any one of them. Okay, the other affirmation for you is I act with honor and integrity in all the things. Okay, so see, be honest, ultimately you will be rewarded. So the universe is telling you for the affirmation I act with honor and integrity in all the things. It may be your career life, it may be your personal life, it may be your love life, anything. Okay, be honest and take the affirmation that I act with honor and integrity in all the things, so you will come out of this. Okay, and your financial, the people who has the financial issues, that may be getting sorted at the end of the week. Okay, so this is your reading. Please let me know in the comment section if the readings are resonating with you, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, take care, bye bye.